They're gonna clear the trailer? Huh? Higher? I ask you, is it gonna clear the trailer? It won't go over the trailer yet. So I need to go up, not down. Okay. You're saying go down. Well guys, we're out here today. We brought the tractor, but look what we're buying. Found us some fuel tanks on Facebook Marketplace. So Clance and I are gonna get these things taken down. What we're having to do is we're gonna go in right here and unbolt these guys. We're gonna pick the tanks up, set them on some pallets. We're gonna stand them up on the circle end here. Stand them up like this so we can put them on the front of the trailer, and then we can load the stands behind that. So let's get to work. First thing we need to do though. So how come y'all are getting rid of these?
Just don't use them. So do you do YouTube or?
We got a
video you're making.
We got a YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Oh. So that's off.
A little bit of diesel in there.
Yeah, that's all right though. Well, what we're going to do is, to be able to haul these home with my tractor, we're just going to stand them up on the end here and put them on this. I don't know if that's going to work like that.
What if you ran one fork under on this side and lift it up?
We can try it, but I don't know. It's pretty empty. Yeah, we ain't gonna pick that up like that. We'll try and see if we can get a hang on, Bob. Guess we'll see how stout that is, huh? I don't want to bend it. We do this. Move. Alright, let's see if we can figure this out now. Come on, bang. There's still a good bit of diesel in that. Hook it around it. Right, hey, right there. I think if we could ever get the front end to pick up, I think it would go. Yeah, if you got a strap, if we could get it underneath the front of it, we might could pick the front up. If we ever got all the fluid to go to the end, I think we'd be all right. I think the only way we're...
Toe strap, but
Yeah. I don't know if we... I need to just get it. It won't take much to tilt it if we could just tilt it. Wonder if we could take that through here like this. Where's your other one at? I don't really want to wedge that in there and tear them up, but
don't worry about the strap. I got plenty of them.
we'll put that up there like that, then come over the tank bub, and then come through there like that. All right, hang on, come. I need to get them pretty even. Get off of it. Here, hold them even. Which way you need to go to be even? Pretty even. That might work. One on each side. One on each fork. Make sure your pallet's in the right spot where it's kind of centered. Move the end this way. Will it come over your way some more? Pretty good. Pull them off. Push the top of it back. You can push the... They're gonna clear the trailer? Huh? Higher? I asked you, is it gonna clear the trailer? It won't go over the trailer yet. So I need to go up, not down. Okay, you're saying go down. You're gonna be able to get it. I think it'll be out of the way right there.
As long as it don't go below.
Oh.
Caught me by surprise.
What's that?
Caught me by surprise.
Yeah. Set it down right there. I got it.
There you go, okay.
Get out of there. That'll work for right now.
Sorry?
I said that'll work for right now. Just turn that off till we... Hey y'all, so I kind of cut it off in the middle of stuff. The camera was kind of in the way, but we got both tanks tore down, loaded on the tractor, or loaded on the trailer. So you can see we put them on some pallets here. We strapped them over the top and down to the trailer, so that's got the downforce, and then we came around them and strapped them to the tractor, so that ought to keep them from trying to fall off on us maybe. And then we got the got all the stands right here on the front of the neck, and then the little cross members are under the tractor there. So that's got us loaded and ready to go. I'll probably set y'all up. We got a little better idea how to do this now, so we'll I'll show y'all the setup when we get them back to the house and get them set up here in a little while. So all right, stay tuned.
We're supposed to be leaving on vacation right now, our annual trip to the lake with my family, but this is what Cody has me doing. Everything's packed, we just have to load everything up, but this is what we're doing instead. I think I'm gonna get a razor knife. I can't get it.
Get you a knife, like I said.
And my phone's gonna probably stop recording because it's like 5,000 degrees out here. Let's work at 4 o'clock. Let's go outside and work at 4 o'clock. I'm talking to this camera. I'm telling him how you're not taking me on vacay. You're making me
This has got to be done before we leave.
do this. I still gotta water my garden, feed my animals. If I get diesel on me,
Going on the other side too.
oh my gosh.
Get on your shoes.
No, I didn't know there was another one.
Yeah.
Okay guys, let's go do the other one. Oh, it only says 97 degrees. It probably feels like 400. I'm like a boss at this job.
Well, you got your deals, your fittings. See, is that going to fit good or not? Okay, whoa.
Perfect.
Man, you do good work. Alright, you got the other one. I'm going to go get the tractor so we can raise this end up and put this board back in.
Did I get a water break? Alright guys, got one done. My phone's about to overheat, so I'll show you the one I did. Boom. As expected, my phone overheated, so let me go show you the other one that I got finished with. Okay. I got that one put on. Now can we go on vacay?
No.
Whoa. They're fueling.
They're pretty good so far. I did have to, well, you probably can't hear that, can you?
Yeah?
So I did have to, we had a little trouble with this one. Oh, she's full, which she wasn't close to empty anyways, but we had to do a little working on the old Fill-Rite pump here. It wasn't prime, but on the back here there's a bypass valve, and that bypass valve was hung, so it wasn't letting the fuel pump. So we got that fixed. But yeah, I do want to do a little bragging on my trading skills due to Facebook Marketplace. When I bought these tanks, these were 2 overhead tanks. When I went to pick them up, I thought this one had like 30 or 40 gallons in it. It was pretty heavy. We couldn't just flip it over by hand. But let me show you how much was in it, guys. Look up this.
What?
So it was nearly half full of dyed diesel. So
How about that awesome tube, new indicator tube thing? What do you call that?
sight glass.
Who put that on?
Erica did a great job on that, guys.
Yeah, rock.
But here's the deal. We've already got like nearly 35, 40 gallons out of it on top of that. So I think this had close to 280, maybe 300 gallons of diesel in it. So I gave $1,250 for this tank, $1,250 for that one. But this one had nearly $1,000 worth of fuel in it. So that means $250. So I got $1,500 in 2 tanks. I know you, that's guy math, but well, I'm gonna let old E-Dog fill up the 4-wheeler for the very first time on the old with the old fuel tanks here. So here she comes. Look out, Nala, you're gonna get it.
Fill me up, Scotty.
I was gonna let you. I'm gonna teach you how to use this. First thing you need to do is turn that off.
You must turn your vehicle off.
Yeah, so you don't blow yourself up. Next, do you have safety glasses on?
No, I don't want to say that.
You don't want to get gas in your eyes.
I have long sleeves and gloves.
It would probably be
I
preferable.
don't actually know where the gas tank is on the 4-wheeler.
Really?
What? I don't.
It's right there.
Oh, I have never noticed it.
Yep. All right. So unscrew that. Then you can put your handle in. Yes, guys, the handle is not fitting in there properly. We're gonna have to do a little work on that.
Flip it
Flip
up.
her up. Yep.
Hold it.
You can just set the. We got an automatic nozzle. Cuts it off on its own right there, girl.
Basically, it's real hard. Oh.
Already full? Better make sure. The only reason I didn't make these gravity feet again was so you could pump your own gas without having to get stuff all over you. What do y'all think about? I got my mustache trimmed today. I don't know about it. What do y'all think? Well, maybe, there we go. What do y'all think? Is she full?
Cool.
What do you tell the folks at home?
Keep ranching.
Y'all keep ranching.